It's Study Saturday where I share helpful tips to help you improve your study life. Today, I'm going to show you guys how I use Notion to make my notes. One thing that I've done since my first year of medical school is to think like an examiner. What does that mean? It means that when I make my notes, I turn them into questions. So that way I'm getting into an examiner's mindset. Here's how I do that using Notion.
So firstly, I break down my notes into different areas of clinical practice. And if you take a close look at infectious disease, let's pick meningitis, for example. So I break down the questions into pathophysiology, clinical features, causative factors in organisms, investigative methods, management options, complication, and also prognosis. Then I go into more detail and ask more specific questions in each of them. For example, in clinical features, what are the signs and what are the symptoms of the disease? I find this method very effective because when I break down the questions into chunks, it's easier for me to digest and also easier for me to retain. And the reason why I prefer using Notion rather than flashcards is because I prefer having all the information I need in one place. I find that with flashcards, the information are very spaced out. And if I want to learn management and investigation at the same time, I really can't do that. But with Notion, I can do this. And I do this for every single disease. I really hope this method helps, and I want you to try it out and let me know if you find it very useful.